Here's a pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Hisense Fire TV via Bluetooth. First thing is, let's put these into pairing mode. You'll know that these are pairing mode when the light here is blinking 3 colors: blue, red, green, blue, red, green. So buds are in the case. Let's open it up and let's see what happens here. Let's see if I get those 3 colors, which I want, which indicate it's in pairing mode. Well, I get a solid green light, then it turns off. So let me just manually put this in pairing mode. There's a little button right here. I'm going to press and hold for 5 seconds. Ready, go. Press and hold. Just keep holding, or just wait until the colors change to 3 colors: green, red, blue. There we go. Now let go of that. And now it is in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our Hisense Fire TV. And you want to go to your settings. You can click on your home button and then just navigate to the gear icon right there. And then we're going to go down and go to controllers and Bluetooth devices right there. Let's select that. Go all the way down, other Bluetooth devices, select that. And now I have a lot of other earbuds and headphones connected to this TV here, but you just want to go down until you see add Bluetooth devices. So we're going to select that. Now searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range or so. And I found it right there, Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. Let's go ahead and highlight it, select it. It's pairing. Give it 1 second. Oh, it's just connected. It says connected down there as well. And there you go. We're connected. Pretty simple. Questions or issues? Comment below.